students, I am Kiran. Today we learn about the GK of Bhiwani district that I mentioned on the top of board. Bhiwani district is the 22nd district of North Indian state of Haryana. It created on 22 December 1972. It occupied 5,140 square kilometer and administrative 442 villages. With population of 16 lakh 34,445. From 2011, Bhiwani district is third most populous district of Haryana after Hisar and Faridabad. In Mitathal village have unearthed evidence of pre-Harappan and Harappan civilization.
Start.
Other major towns of this district are Loharu, Shivani, Kolavas, Bhiwani, Lamba and Bhavani Kheda. From 2000, near the village of Naurangabad, 10 kilometer east to Bhiwani, Bhiwani city. In 2001, preliminary digging was started and we got toys, coins, sheaves, status and pots up to 2500 years ago. According to archaeologists, these things are founded in Kushan, Gupta and Ayodhya period. Ayodhya period till 300 BC. Bhiwani city is also mentioned in I Akbari book, which is prominent committed commerce since to the times of Mughals time. Bhiwani district have also 4 subdivisions named Loharu, Shivani and Tosham. And 5 sub tehsils: भिवानी, लोहारू, शिवानी, तोशाम, भवानी खेड़ा, and also a sub tehsil, one sub tehsil Behel. As I previously told, in Mithathal village we found evidence of Harappan civilization. So I erase this due to lack of space. Now in this district there are 5 Vidhan Sabha constituencies. And there are 2 sub parts also: Charkhi Dadri and Badra. And one sub tehsil named Bondkala. These are in new district Charkhi Dadri, which is formed in 2016 from Bhiwani district.
Start.
In this district there was one university named Bansilal Chaudhary Bansilal University, established on 2014. It is a unique university that is established by Chaudhary Bansilal, a former Chief Minister of Haryana. It has also many religious places like Devsar Dham, Manheru Dham, and Dhareru Dham. Bhiwani is also famous for its sports. In this region, sports uniquely played: wrestling, boxing, running, and so on. For boxing, Bhiwani is also known for Mini Cuba. Mini Cuba is another name of Bhiwani that is known by our boxers like Hawa Singh is a legendary boxer from Haryana, Vijendra Singh, and so on. Very not in India, but they played over the world and won medals, bronze medal, silver medal, and so on. So Bhiwani is 22nd district and established on 22 December 1972. Thank you for this video.